All right, this is going to be a quick vlog update. Not a lot has changed, but there's a lot of little things they're doing, like finishing the drywall, installing ceilings and pipes and stuff like that. So here we go.
She said, how could you joke at a time like this?
Fans are in. The asphalt's all poured now. They also just got done painting the ceilings. Lights, hose reels, garage door openers, overhead heaters, painted walls, unfinished ceiling, finished ceilings, exit signs, sprinkler systems, light switches, men's bathroom sign, woman's bathroom sign, mirror, bathroom grab handles, 2 mirrors, fire extinguisher, electrical outlets, blue door trim, oil guns, and that's about it.
I know why, 'cause this is what you wanted all along.